So you landed here because you want to learn more about Nowsite's website, and I'm going to show it to you. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate multiple companies, including this one. And yep, you know what it is. I got some of that news that you can use. So today, I'm going to show you Nowsite's websites and a website builder and what you're capable of having with the platform. All right, so let's jump right in. So look, you see me in my back office already. You see right here, we are on Nowsite. So right here, Nowsite has a new marketing section. And when you come into the Nowsite marketing section, this is what you see. You see websites, you see emails, SMS, social media, ads, domains. And we're going to go through all of them in different videos one by one. So today, we're going to really focus on Nowsite's websites. Okay. So as you can see, I have tons of sites that I've already created. I believe I've created over like 70 sites, 75 sites, okay? Now, the nice thing about Nowsite's website builder is the fact that it's easy to duplicate a website or to share. Like right here, let's say I wanted to share this one right here, right? I could just come right here. You can see I can easily share this template, or I can easily just duplicate it like that. And then instantly, I have another one, okay? So this one, I can go in here and and edit this one by 1 or 2 without messing up everything else, right? So for instance, let's come over here and I'm going to delete this. Okay, so let's go back over here and show you what I'm saying. So come over here. Let's say I hit this. So you can see that you can make a nice looking website, and you see a nice video up here, you know, nice colors. You got another video there, you know, got some different calls to action, some buttons there. Come over here. So you can see you can make a nice decent website landing page. You know, you can make this with multiple tabs. You can make a capture page so that you can, you know, capture the information and be able to, you know, build your list. You're able to do all that. And the nice thing about these is, let's say I want to start with a new one, right? Let's say I want to start from scratch. Well, I can come over here and look, they already got website templates for us to start from, okay? So if I start like this, then it gives me something to work with. Like I want to come with a headline and a capture page, or a capture page in the middle. So let's say that's what I want to do. See, then I can create it from here, name it, you know, already have the domain. Remember, Nowsite's also going to host it for you. So you're going to have hosting and SS and security. So it's going to be secure. So you pretty much going to be able to hit the ground running with a full-fledged website that you're going to be able to build from scratch. Also, like when you start building these out, especially if like you build a team like me and you end up on my team, then what's going to also happen is you're going to end up where all the sites that I've already created, like these are sites I created, people on my team, right? So when we have these sites, you have these sites too. Okay? Like for instance, let's say you was in this company with me, right? And you wanted to have this get started page. Okay, so you see how this get started page looks awesome, you know, has everything you need. So you might be like, this is all I need, come on, no problem. Now I can share this with you because we can put these in our back office, right? So remember over here, we have another section where these are in our back office. It's called the team section. So when we go to our team section, you'll have it. Or I can just share the individual page with you, just like right here. See where it says share template, and I hit that, and then I just put your email, and then you'll have it. Okay, and everybody that's on my team always get access to all my websites, and that's the nice thing about being on part of the elite, because you do get access to that. And as you can see, I have 3 pages of sites, so you're going to be you're not going to be no short of having a website. Plus, if you're in any other company that I am a part of, which you can see I'm in other companies, then if you happen to be in those companies as well, then of course you would get my websites, landing pages, capture pages, and anything else I have to offer to help promote that business and your business as well. Okay, so as you can see, websites are, man, this is like the heart of the company, I feel like, almost like, because there's so much you can do with this. You know, I use probably this feature the most, okay, and you'll find it in the marketing. So this is the new Nowsite marketing suite, you know. But like I said, I'm gonna break them down individually just for the fact of like I said, it's so much back here, and then I'll probably do it all in one. So that's what you can expect with those. So let's go over and show you how easy it is to actually create a website, like or to build upon one. Let's play with one of these, like I was just doing. Like right here, we got this copy, right? Let's see. Let me duplicate it. Okay. So look, show how easy it is to edit a site. So we come up in here, and let's say I wanted to edit, okay, anything that you see here, right? So you come over here. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to just start building things out. So let's say I wanted to like change this headline up here, right? And I wanted to put like a video headline. Watch this. I created these within the system to make things go a lot faster and smoother. So you see that? Already got a nice video background. Already got, you know, a video on it right there with a bold headline. Look, already got some call to action. Look how we already just made that pop. Like we already made that pop with that one move. You know what I mean? And gave this website a whole different feel, right? So then I can come down. You know, I can change anything I want. I can change anything I want. Let's want to put something in after that. That looks nice. I like the way that looks. Then the video comes. So let's say I want to, you know, make that stand out as well, right? So I'm gonna go back to my sessions, and everything is easily just drag and drop, you know, drag and drop. Okay. So let's say I want to do an image with a capture. Let's say I want to do an image with a capture, right? So I can do that right here. Look. Okay. So now I can do that, and of course I can hit those, and of course now all this is editable. All right. So I can do name, phone. If I want to take the phone out, I can take that out. You know, I can put that back in. Of course, make it mandatory. You know what I mean? Change what I want to say from here. You know, redirect. I mean, real simple, real easy. Real easy. So now hit OK, fine with that. So you see how quick and easy it is that you can just start really building out your website, you know, back here. And it's just so much. You see, look, you can do headlines, feature blocks, large image, large gallery, videos, map, you know, custom forms, buttons, about me section, list builder, large text block, code snippets. You can actually put code up in there, you know, HTML, Java. You can, if you know code, then you can actually put a code on the page and then make it do things. So you might want to put a countdown timer, even though we have our own. So you don't really have to do it. So you can come over here, put your own timer. Okay. See, and it's fully configurable. You got different styles, different ways. So as you can see, you know, a lot that you can do, with the system, a whole lot. Okay. And the nice part is you get unlimited websites. So by being unlimited, you can, as you can see, you can just make tons of different sites for tons of different things. Just like I just need to make one real fast to do training to show you guys how good it was, right? Boom. Instantly, I made it. Now I can delete it. But if I need to do something, I don't have to worry about messing something up I already created, basically what I'm saying. So I already created a website. You can build upon that. Like if you like something that you see, you can build upon that from that point forward. See what I'm saying? And we got all different types of websites back here with animation, things happen like that. See? So look at that type of capture page where that's going to get people's attention, you know, right out the gate. And you get access to these type of things just by being a part of the team when you join Team Elite. So these are the benefits, you know, by you already having access to all these different websites. We even have team rotators, as you can see right there. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on and on. This is where if you ever log into my biz op ones, when you're like, oh yeah, Quan, where's your top biz? And you have to log onto this page. This is where it was created at. Okay. You want to see all my top biz ops. This is where it was created at. Nowsite. And now you see how I did it. Okay. So real powerful. And just really wanted to get that out and show you just, you know, how powerful it was. You can now find that in your Nowsite marketing suite, in the marketing section. So you like what you see? You know the drill. Hit the link below, getmoneylikeaboss.com. Or if you got questions, you know I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. I know you're wondering, what is that QR code up there that says scam you. Well, it's just that. You can take the phone, go to your open up and go to your to the camera, point it at that QR code, and then you can actually open up and actually see all my top income opportunities that I'm currently promoting, and then you can actually see what those are too. These same companies that make me 5 and 10 K or more a month. So you can definitely go check that out. Or, hey, if you like me to just text it to you personally, then just text the word money to 702-553-3326. Again, 702-553-3326. And I'll personally send you a text back that show you all my top income opportunities. All right. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. And of course, don't forget to hit the bell, because when you hit the bell, you get notified when I'm doing these videos as well. All right. And that way you won't have to find out late. All right. I appreciate you. See you on the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.